Hi, welcome to Bootcamp Fitness. Unfortunately, there's nothing here to show you right now, but that's because it's a brand new class inside a brand new gym. And here today, I'm hopefully going to tell you a little bit about it that makes you want to come and give it a try. Bootcamp Fitness is indoor circuit training, and it runs 3 times a week for 45 minutes per training session, and we commit to a 4-week block. Throughout the 4-week block, the training is programmed in such a way that the intensity progresses. At week 1, we reduce the intensity, and therefore that serves as 2 purposes. Firstly, as a recovery week for people who are going to come back and train further, and the second reason will be it welcomes new people to the class as a start-off, slightly easier week to get into it. So we end up with a cycle that looks a bit like this. So if we've got a broken chalk, if we've got effort and time here, if you consider that over 4 weeks, we have a progressive rise in intensity. On week 1, we just take it a bit easier again. Okay, on week 1, and that acts as a recovery week because we know from a training point of view, you can't just train consistently on an upward higher intensity, higher intensity, higher intensity. You have to have time off to recover. So guess what? There's your recovery week. Take a bit more fun, welcome new people to the class. The new people that come to the class, they enjoy it, it's very doable. And then we start to rise again. We start to draw the 4-week period again. And so this consistently happens. So if you imagine over 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you have this program system that I'm going to put together for us. It's going to be variable, it's going to be a lot of fun. I know that the body needs to lunge, it needs to squat, it needs to sprint, it needs to hinge, it needs to push, it needs to pull. Bootcamp Fitness offers this really regularly, 3 times a week. You commit to it, and we target all these. The intervals are completely variable. So for example, we might train for 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We might train for 60 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We might do a 3-minute non-stop set, and then we might have a break for a minute. So lots of variables. It kept really interesting. On my instructor training, I learned that I have to give people what they want and also what they need. And what I've taken away from that is really important is take, for example, I come from an office background, from a working point of view. So I know what it's like to sit at a desk for 8 or 9 hours a day in not necessarily poor posture, but a posture that's always got a rounded back, and I'm always creased at the hips. So I know that I want some exercises that involve some pulling, and in the Bootcamp Fitness we use the resistance bands a lot, and it's great for getting pulling exercises in here, even overhead work with the resistance bands, because the body needs that. So while we need some exercises, it's going to be fun and exciting and challenging, there's also going to be my involvement where I know that I need you to get to be doing some certain exercises, working on certain planes to exercise the body for your benefit. So what are the benefits of training the Bootcamp Fitness here at the Kettlebells Aberdeen gym? The fact is, it's indoors. Now I love jogging outdoors, I love cycling outdoors, but the fact is, with the northeast of Scotland weather, when the weather turns crap, I don't tend to exercise as much as I should do. So the fact is, we can be indoors, we can be training really regularly, and you still get your exercise levels in, you get your workouts done. It's variable, it's interesting, it's fun, the music's pumping, you're getting what you want, you're getting what you need, and I hope that you're interested now to come along and give it a try. So I'm sure you'll be able to sign up, jump online, and say you're going to come along and give it a try. Hopefully the next video I'm going to show you will be a room full of activity, and you'll see exactly what a working class looks like. Thanks for watching.